Welcome on our channel, QHSE Akbar Jillani. If you are new on our channel, please subscribe the channel. If you are our existing subscriber, please watch the video from start up to the end. Because in this video, you will be able to understand what is objective, what is KPIs, then targets, and how evaluate objective and targets, and how we set objectives is for our understanding of ISO 9001, 14001, 45, as well as ADOSH-SF. So now let's start the video, and now we are discussing what are actually objective, what are the targets, and how evaluate objectives. In this video, we will have an overview of QHSE objective and KPIs, development, measurement, monitoring, and performance evaluation of objective. This video is designed for QHSE managers, HSE officers, quality engineers, supervisors, department managers, internal auditors, management representatives, and operation managers. Like for operation managers means how they will integrate the QHSE objective in their business objectives. We divide this training or this video in different modules. So one by one we will have one by one different modules of the training. So now let's come one by one. What is a QHSE objective? A QHSE objective is a specific measurable goal that an organization establishes to improve its quality, health, safety, and environment (QHSE) performance. These objectives support the organization policy, legal obligation, business strategy, and commitment towards the continual improvement of the organization. According to ISO 9001-2015, ISO 14001-2015, and now currently we have also 2016 26 standard, and ISO 45001-2018. QHSE objective must be established at relevant function and level within the organization, be measurable where practicable, monitored, communicated, and updated as necessary. A QHSE objective is a clear, defined goals that an organization aims to achieve to improve quality, protect people, prevent injury, safeguard the environment, comply with the legal requirement, and enhance overall business performance. Purpose. What is the purpose of QHSE objective? Q means when there is quality and there is health, safety, and environment. So we will not only have health and safety objective, but also apart from this, we will have quality, environment, as well as health and safety objectives for our organization. So now let's say, what is the purpose of QHSE objectives? QHSE objectives provide clear direction for improving in organization quality, health, safety, and environment performance. They translate the organization QHSE policy and strategic goals into measurable targets that can be monitored and achieved. The main purpose of QHSE objective: provide direction. It provides a direction to the organization, support the QHSE policy, because when we are developing the QHSE documentation, procedures, manuals, then first of all, we develop the procedure. To support the procedure, we develop objective. And to achieve our objective, we develop different procedures. So it means that The policy is supported by the objectives of the organization. Now, improve performance, ensure quality, health, safety, and environmental result through continual improvement. Now, reduce risk. Once we have objective, then we will reduce the risk to the organization operations. Like it could be the quality, environment, health and safety, ensure legal compliance. The ISO is for the ISO or when we develop the objective will be within the legal requirements. So once we have the objective, there will be some compliance objectives and targets. Now, increase customer satisfaction. Sometimes we also have to share our objective and targets with our customers or clients. Measure organizational performance. So the KPIs measurement will be there. Support decision marking. Enable management to make informed decision based on measurable performance data. Now improve employee engagement. Because once we have the objective, then we will work on it. So there will be a teamwork, or the employees will be also engaged in achieving the objectives. So once we have objectives, it's a teamwork. It's not only writing, just in the writing something and the management telling that we achieve this. No, there will be proper calculation for this. So apart from this, the objective will be communicated to all the employees to engage them for the achievement of objective and targets. Now, drive continual improvement. Identify opportunities for improvement and enhance the effectiveness of the QHSE management system. Now, we are discussing the objective with the ISO perspective, support the management system and strategic direction, monitor and evaluate performance, demonstrate continual improvement, achieve intended QHSE outcome. Let's see over here. Without objective, there is no clear direction. Without KPIs, there is no way to know whether the objective have been achieved. Why organization needs objectives? Organization establish QHSE objectives to provide clear direction and focus, improve quality, health, safety, and environmental performance, meet legal and customer requirements or client requirements, reduce risk and incidents, measure performance through KPIs, support informed decision making, achieve continual improvement. Now, when we are talking now what is the ISO, different ISO standards we have. So what is their requirement? So as per the requirement, the QHSE objective must be consistent with the policy. As we discussed that, we develop the policy, and to support the policy, we develop objective. And to achieve our objective or to support our objective, we develop different procedures. So be consistent with the QHSE policy, be measurable, be monitored and evaluated, be communicated to relevant personnel, be reviewed and updated regularly, support continual improvement. Means our objective we will design in a way that it will establish a continual improvement in our organization. Now, strategic direction. When we are talking about the strategic direction of the objective, QHSE objective should support the organization long-term business goals by aligning with the organization vision and mission, supporting business growth and sustainability, improving customer satisfaction, enhancing operational performance, strengthening organizational reputation. Now, continual improvement. Continual improvement means continuously enhancing QHSE performance by setting objective. How we will have continual improvement in our organization? We will have continual improvement in our organization by setting objective, measuring up KPIs, monitoring results, evaluating performance, taking corrective action, improving process, setting new objectives. Summary. Now, objective, what we want for. So now we are taking the summary for this module. Objectives, what we want to achieve is called objective. KPIs, how we may measure achievement. So we can say that the KPIs are the unit for the measurement of objective. ISO requires measurable and monitored objectives. Strategic direction objectives support business goals. Continual improvement, measure, evaluate, improve, and repeat. Now we are coming to module number 2. What is a KPI? Difference between KPI and objective. Leading indicator, lagging indicator are active and reactive indicators. Performance metrics, KPIs, characteristics. So now what is KPI? A KPI indicator, a key performance indicator is a measurable value that shows how effectively an organization is achieving its objectives. KPIs help monitor progress, evaluate performance, and support decision making. Difference a KPI and an objective. An objective defines what the organization wants to achieve, while a KPI measure how well the objective is being achieved. So it means that these are objectives are defined what the organization want to achieve and how we will measure these objectives. For this we have KPIs. Example, objective, reduce workplace injury by 20%. Now, the objective is a reduction of workplace injury by 20%. Now, KPI, last time injury frequency rate, LTIFR. So in this case, we will have LTIFR. Now, leading indicator. Leading indicators are proactive measures that help prevent incident before they occur. They focus on activities that improve future performance. Examples, safety inspections, toolbox talks, safety training completion, near miss reporting, behavior safety observations. These are the leading indicators. Now, lagging indicator. Lagging indicators are reactive measures that report events that have already happened. They help evaluate past performance. Last time injuries, LTI, total recordable injury rate, TRIR, property damage incidents, environmental spills, customer complaint. So this customer complaint is for the quality. Now performance metrics. Performance metrics are quantities, measurement used to monitor and evaluate organizational performance. KPIs are the most important performance metric linked to strategic objective. Examples, now training completion, customer satisfaction score, waste recycling rate, audit closure rate, then equipment downtime. Now KPI characteristics. What are the characteristics of KPI? Specific, clearly defined what is measured. Measurable, can be quantified using reliable data. Achievable, realistic and attainable. Relevant, directly linked to business or QHSE objectives. Time bound, measured over a defined period. Actionable, support decision making and improvement. Reliable, based on accurate and consistent data. Now, key training message. What is the key training message? Means, what is the message for this? Objective tells us what we want to achieve, while KPI tells us whether we are achieving it. Leading indicator help prevent problems. Lagging indicator measure results. And effective KPI drive continued improvement. Now we are coming to module number 3. In the module number 3, we will discuss relationship between objective and KPIs. So what is the relationship between the objective and KPIs? Now we are taking one example, reduce workplace injuries. Reduce workplace injuries. So the KPI will be last time injury frequency rate. The target will be reduce LTIFR by 20%. Measurable monthly calculation or quarterly as per the ADOSH, the legal compliance standard in Abu Dhabi. The organizations, they are sending their quarterly performance report. And these reports, there are KPIs. Now, measurement, monthly calculation, evaluate, compare with previous years, or if it's quarterly, previous quarter. Now, improvement, industrial training and inspections. Now, another example we are taking, improve customer satisfaction. This for the quality. KPI is customer satisfaction score, customer complaint, on-time delivery. Now, SMART principles. What is, like, see, majority of the people say the objective will be SMART. Now we are coming to module number 4, how to develop QHSE objective. How, now in this we have how to develop QHSE objective. Now, SMART principles, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. Objective now, example, reduce last time injury by 50% before December 2026. This is our objective, reduce last time injury LTI by 15% before December 2026. This is an objective. Now, good KPI should be measurable. Now, what's the characteristics of KPIs? Measurable, measurable, and relevant, simple, data-driven, time-based, action-oriented. Now, we are taking, now we're here in this, how to develop the KPIs. So this part, the KPIs, this one, we develop for the module 4 objective, module 5 is for the KPIs. And over here, example objective, reduce environmental pollution. The KPI, like this is the objective, reduce environmental pollution. This is the general statement. Now the KPIs, number of spills, waste generated, fuel consumption, electricity consumption, water consumption. Now, we are coming to the quality KPIs. Module 6, types of KPIs for the quality. Now, let's say, then for health and then for safety. Customer complaint, quality KPIs. Product defects, fast yield. Audit findings, rework rate. Means we are developing one product and we have some defects. How we will rectify or we will fix it. Health KPIs, occupational illness cases, medical checkup compliance, then wellness participation. Now safety KPIs, leading KPIs, safety inspections, the leading toolbox tasks, safety observations, rating completion, training completion, near miss reports, lagging KPI. Now we are taking the leg. This was the leading, now lagging KPIs. Last time injuries, first aid cases, medical treatment cases, fatalities, and property damage. Now environmental KPIs, waste recycling rate, fuel consumption, water usage, electricity usage, carbon emission, spill incidents. Now we are coming to module number 7, KPIs measurement. How to measure KPIs? Step 1, collect data. Step 2, verify data. So we will have the record. Calculate KPI. Step number 4, compare with the target. What is our target and what we achieved? Analyze trend. Trend means like where we have the strength and where we have the uh, shortcomings. So in this case, we will find out a trend. Or if in organization there are some type of incidents, common incidents, then the quality incident, complaint from the client, or some non-conformity in the products manufacturing, and also health and safety um, incidents or environmental incident. And what type, like see, we are just only taking one example. Like one organization, they have 20 incidents in 1 year. But how many we have from the slips and trips? So then we will be able to understand what is the percentage of incidents from uh, like the same type. This is called trend. So we will work on it. Now report. So it will give us the likelihood of incident happen. Step 6, report results. Now examples, targets 100%. Actual is target is 100%, but now we have 95% achievement now 95%. So the gap is 5%. Status means need improvement. Now we are evaluating or measure all the KPIs. So the evaluation of KPIs. So our target was 100, but we got only 95%. So there is a gap of 5. Now the formula, module number 8. In this module, very interesting module, in this module, we will be able to understand the KPI formula. Now we are taking some examples. Number of employees trained, then divided by total number of employees, then multiplied by 100, like 190 employees trained, and total number of employees we have 200, and multiplied by 100, we got 95%. So number of employees provided training, then divided by total number of employees, multiplied by 100. Safety inspection performed, completed inspection, then planned inspection. How many inspection we conducted and what was our planning? So like we have 190 inspections completed, and total our target was 200. Now multiplied by like 100, then we got 95%. This is a lump sum figure for you. Customer complaint rate, like customer complaint, total orders, how many total orders? Like see, now one company, they have lot of clients or customers. In one company, they have 2, 3 customers. So who will have more customer complaint? The one who have more uh, clients or customers. Now last time injuries frequency rate, number of last time injury multiplied by 1 million, then divided by total hours worked. So in this way, LTI we will find out frequency rate. Now, KPI monitoring, module 9, daily dashboard, weekly report, monthly KPI report, quarterly review, annual performance review, traffic light system, green, let's see. Green, target achieved. Yellow means slight deviation, immediate action required. So if we are fixing the targets. So if target achieved, green. Slight deviation, then yellow. Red means immediate action required. Now evaluation, number 10. KPIs evaluation. Evaluation question like was, now we are just only having, I just only want to, because once we have the evaluation in these of findings for the objective, after this we will be able to understand what we have to do. Now evaluation questions. Was the target achieved? Why was it achieved? Why was it missed? What are the root causes? What actions are required? Is the KPI still relevant? Now, Module 10 KPI evaluation. Evaluation example objective. Reduce near miss incident by 20%. The target is 50 near miss report. Actual 40 report. Achievement 80% gave. Now 20%. Achievement 80%, the gap is 20%. Module 10, KPI evaluation, reason, poor reporting culture, corrective action, conduct awareness session, responsible person, QHSE manager, review next date, and then next month. Now we have over here the link between objective to KPIs. Like objective, KPIs, targets, measurement, and evaluation. Reduce injuries, LTIFR. The KPI will be last time frequency rate. Target is 1. Then monthly. Then trend analysis. Now, improve safety training. Training completion. The KPI. Now, target is 100%. What we plan, we have to achieve. Monthly percentage achieve. Improve quality, customer complaint. Like reduce for less than means a customer complaint, we will decrease by like, see, we can say that a reduction of like, see, in this percentage is difficult. So we'll see that we will reduce customer 5, like last month we have 30. Now this time the customer complaint, we will reduce to 25 of something. This is the target. Or percentage also you can give. So monthly and then complaint trend. Reduce waste. Waste generated means we have to reduce this 15% monthly. Compare with baseline. Baseline, the previous one. Improve audit closer. Now 100% monthly close. How many findings we close and how many findings we have now. Now module number 12. Management review. The objective targets will be discussed in the management review meeting. KPIs achievement, objective achievement, trends, risk, opportunities, resources, corrective action, and continued improvement. Now, ISO classes covered here. Like we have the objective in 6.2 quality objective, class 9.1, monitoring, measurement, analysis, and evaluation. Class number 9.3 is the management review. Now, similarly, over here also in the environmental, 6.2 environmental objective, 9.1 monitoring, measurement, analysis, and evaluation. ISO 45001 health and safety objective 6.2, then 9.1 monitoring, measurement, analysis, and performance evaluation. If you have any question regarding the video, please give your question in the comment section and we will reply to your comments. Thank you very much for watching us.